Now, there's a spectrum of muscle tension in your body, from relaxed to very tense. I used this weighted blanket like a total of at least 4 times. And it seemed like whenever I would use it over the whole night, it was way too heavy for me, by the way. I should have gotten a less heavy one. I woke up exhausted and very weak. And actually almost a little, I felt panic sensations when I was waking up. And my heart was actually racing. So I think what was happening was, over the night, my body was releasing all the excess tension because it was holding up weight, okay? My skeletal muscles. And then when I was getting exhausted by the morning, my body was having to release extra adrenaline just to hold up that weight.
Either that, or I developed low blood pressure from excessive release of tension. This causes compensatory adrenaline release.
So basically, if you want to get a weighted blanket, I would suggest getting the lowest weight, and then you can add more weight to it. I think you can get panels at Walmart, like inserts or something like that. And what you might want to try is having the weighted blanket on your feet, off to the side. I did try that, and that seemed to work really well. When you're sleeping, you can have a bunch of weight like near where your feet can like slip under, but also slip out if you are feeling like you need to gauge it. The problem with the weighted blanket is I feel like it's you can't gauge it. Well, that's the problem with prescription drugs too. You can't gauge it. You can't modulate it is the word, actually. Not gauge, sorry. You can't modulate, especially when you're sleeping. So if you do want to try it, I recommend start slow and go up. And I don't think it should be used on a daily basis because, I think you need to use it for when you have the excess tension. And I don't think you're going to always have that. So this is my YNM blanket. Now, I thought it was 100% cotton because that's what was advertised, but this says that it has some polyester fiber batting inside of it. I just wanted to show you something in the manual. It says it takes about 1 week to get used to a weighted blanket. Now, does that mean we're trying to strengthen our skeletal muscles? I don't know. I don't know why it says that it takes a while to get used to it. In what way? And how? But anyway, this has a nice texture to it. It does not have an odor at all, and I'm very sensitive to scents and odors. I was very pleased with that. You might want to consider getting a duvet cover if you want to use this blanket long term and a lot, because it says here that it may be too heavy for your washing machine, and if you throw it into a small capacity washing machine, it may damage your washing machine. So it says the YNM weighted blanket is the most breathable blanket on the market. So I like that. And it says the cotton series is breathable, the bamboo series is cool, and I don't know what the minky one is, but I don't know if that is breathable or not. Shameless plug. Get one of these t-shirts if you want, and that was 2020. If you resonate with me and my channel, consider subscribing, and please like this video if it was entertaining or educational. Bye-bye.